Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for tax credit in Ireland. Understanding tax credits is key to reducing your income tax. Many people miss out because they assume credits are applied automatically, but often you need to claim them yourself. You can typically claim for the current tax year and look back up to 4 previous years, so it's worth checking your eligibility. To begin, you'll need to access your personal tax record. For most employees, this means registering for or logging into Revenue's My Account service. You'll use your PPS number to set up your secure online portal. If you are self-employed, the Revenue Online Service, or ROSE, is the platform you will use to manage your tax obligations and claims. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay Services section and choose Review Your Tax for the relevant year. Request your statement of liability, then select Complete Your Income Tax Return. Here, you can add various tax credits and reliefs. Remember, it is crucial to keep all your receipts and supporting documents for a minimum of 6 years, as Revenue may request them. While some credits, like the personal and employee tax credits, are often automatic, many others require you to claim them. For instance, you can claim tax relief on medical expenses at 20%. The rent tax credit can provide up to €1,000 for individuals. Also, investigate credits for home carers, dependent relatives, or even certain tuition fees to maximize your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.